Hello there, it's your cliche emo boy. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scream. I'm going to teach you how to do the phrase scream. The first step is to create some vibrations in your throat, and the vibrations sound like that. Then you try to make it higher pitched, like the difference between and is basically that when you do you feel it kind of right here, and when you do you feel it in the front of your throat. From low pitched to high pitched, you feel that it goes from here to here kinda, and even higher. It's kinda natural to go from low pitched to high pitched, but going from to is less natural, because when you speak, basically it's always from here instead of here. Otherwise, if you try to speak from here, it sounds like that, and it's not a natural way of speaking, you know. But if you speak that way from here, that is totally not natural, and that you start to add some vibrations, then it does scream like that. So it does phrase scream. Now, if you don't manage to recreate that, don't force yourself, because if you are anxious, then your throat is going to get a little bit compressed, but not in the right way, and you will lose control over where you start to speak. Because basically, when you're anxious, you speak in a higher pitched tone, and also you are not able to speak from the very unnatural place that is the front really of your throat, and you can't really add vibration either, and not the right kind of vibration that is like that. So really, you have to be relaxed and to have complete control over your throat. So yes, that's the right sound. If you don't have enough air, it's going to sound something like that, so it's not right, okay? So you have to have enough air, breath, clear your throat if you feel like you need to do that. And once you have enough control over your throat, having full control over your throat also means that if you are sick, it's going to be very difficult to do that. So if you feel like you have something in your throat, really make sure to clear it and to wait till it is completely cleared, so that you can actually make that sound, because you need a clear throat to make it properly. Also, don't be afraid to make that sound if it doesn't hurt your throat, because if you don't hurt your throat, even if you don't do it properly, you're not hurting yourself. However, if it starts to hurt, then it's time to stop and to rest, because you could damage your throat and your vocal cords, and I guess you don't really want to have damaged vocal cords, especially if you're a singer. Also, when you try to do scream exercises, make sure to drink to stay hydrated. If you stay hydrated, then it's easier not to hurt your vocal cords. When you do phrase scream, it's not your vocal cords that vibrate, it's really your throat. But once you get good enough at phrase scream, you can totally go from phrase scream to like talking and singing, like I speak, I speak, I speak, I scream. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Someone, but I don't know who, like not at all. Happy birthday to you. You know, the more you train your voice and your scream, the easier it will get. It's just like singing. I used not to be able to sing on key, but now I can sing on key if I am in my tessiture. And well, for phrase scream, it's the same thing. It will be easier for some people than for other people. Most people should be able to do the phrase scream, but depending on your throat, it's going to sound a little bit different. It's going to be easier or more difficult maybe. But if you train, then except if you are disabled, you should be able to do that. So this is the end of this video. I don't know if my tutorial was good or not. I don't really have a typical way to teach stuff, but I know that it's how I would like people to teach me how to scream. So yeah, I hope that you like it, and we'll see you for another video. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. It's your choice. Anyways, since I'm polite, I say goodbye, so like, goodbye.